Good morning, guys. This is New Tool Tuesday. We haven't had a New Tool Tuesday and I don't know when, but we're having one today. I want to show you this mixer we've got right here. This fella's name is Jeff. He's going to be helping me. He's got the mixer. Now, just to show you a couple things, you undo this handle right here. When you undo that, now move that around. You can move that around and then go all the way around the other way. Keep on going as far as that goes right there. All right, now bring it back up to the center. Then you bring it back up to the center, lock that, and that holds it. Then that gives you kind of your, like holding it like that. It's got speeds on it, and I guess this may be like RPMs, like there's low. Now squeeze your trigger. Squeeze that trigger right there. There you go. There's low. You see it turning, keep on spinning. Then you can come up here and you can dial this up. I guess that's 200 revolutions a minute. Dial it on up. There's in between. There's 300, 400, and max. And it has right here, forward, there's neutral, and reverse switch on it. Pretty basic. Right here in this handle, turn it flip. This is pretty cool. It's got the chuck stored in here to tighten it here, and then stores right back in here. We've got a 5 amp hour battery on it. Let's see if there's anything else other than just using it. Well, let's mix up some thin set and let's see it work. All right, he's starting out on low. Let's see what it does here. Push it down. All right, we got it on 400. So I guess that's RPM. I'm taking it. There's max right there. All right, let me hold this, pour a little more in there. Pour a little more in there. We're using the Sluter and ditra-set, the Bostic. That's good. I really thought it might turn more RPMs than that. That's not really the mixer that I wanted, the head. I wanted more of a paddle, but the local hardware place here, they didn't have them in the big paddles. That's really what I wanted. What do y'all use? Anybody that uses one to mix concrete or thin set, whatever you do with it? They're doing a good job, mixing it really good. One reason I bought this is I burnt my DeWalt up using it to mix tire one time. And here in a week or so, I got to mix up some concrete and fix up some stuff. So I wanted to get something a little more heavy duty made to mix up heavier stuff, not burn my Milwaukee hammer drill up. Using the Cobalt tile saw, laying these tiles that are long like that and narrow. See here, got a little niche up here we're going to tile in, so I won't bore you a lot with doing too much tile laying and such on this house. You've seen me lay tile, so you've seen one guy lay tile, you've seen them all. Well, we're mixing up another batch. That's on high, as you can see. I like it, good and smooth. I would have thought it would have turned more RPM. So that's New Tool Tuesday of our mixer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's probably not the biggest, most popular tool that somebody's going to want to use, but I wanted one. So I guess that's all that really matters. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll see you in another video.